Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nada Rifda Hayati Siregar. For this English final examination, I took a topic about Indonesian culture versus American culture. The first thing to talk about is about the difference about two cultures. The first is how them to manage their time. Indonesian culture is known as a rubber watch and lacks response of time. And then American culture is known as a discipline of time. I will give you an example. In Indonesian, when two people wants to meet and then the other said like, okay, we will meet you at 9 o'clock. It's mean she didn't meet you at 9 o'clock. It's mean like she have to prepare to meet you at 9 o'clock. And then in American culture, when she say, okay, we will meet at 9 o'clock, it's mean you must meet them at 9 o'clock because American is very disciplined of time. Okay, the next difference is about their relation. Indonesian culture or Indonesian people is known as a very nice relation with another's. We have a complex relation with another. So many Indonesian people use social media as a platform them to socialize. And then American culture or Western culture, they is known as an individual, so rare to them to have a complex relation with another. I will give you an example. In Indonesian, when we have a wedding, we can invite all of our friends. I mean like we can invite our mom friends, our father friends, our cousin friends, because we have a very complex relation with another. And then in American, when we have a wedding, we can invite only our family, our close friends. It's no more than 50% because American people is very individualist and rare to socialize with another. Okay, the next topic is about their sensitivity. In Indonesian, when you ask someone like, oh, did you get married? It's for somebody, it's a very sensitive topic, but for others, it's a very important topic. Why? Because she didn't want to disturb your marriage life, or she wants to keep a distance from you. Because she didn't want to get a bad news because she keep close to you. And then in America, when you ask someone like, oh, did you get married? For a girl, it's a very sensitive topic. Why? Because American people wants to know as free as they didn't get married. Because she wants to know to be free and can get friendly for another people. Okay, the next topic is about similarity between Indonesian culture and American culture. In Indonesian and America, all the people get a freedom to choose their religions, because religions is only can you choose by your deep heart. In Indonesian America, when you as a Muslim, you're a Catholic, you're a Christian, it's free for you because we cannot force someone to follow our religion. You know that our religion is good, our religion is best, our religion can follow us to a good way, but you cannot force someone to follow your religions. So Indonesian and American has that similarity to get us to free to follow our heart. Okay, I think the summary from my presentation is we cannot force someone to follow us because all about Indonesian culture, American culture, our religions, your religion, it's a free for us to choose that, because you can only choose them by your deep heart. I think this is enough from me. I hope my video can inspire you all. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.